Hey there, my time crunch teachers. I know that whiteboard space is a valuable piece of real estate in a classroom, but I want to show you my favorite section that I've had on my board, whether I've taught second grade, middle school, fifth grade this year, and it's right behind me.
I began by using simple black masking tape to create these 4 sections: the date, must do, can do, and page number. The top is just the day's date, and below it is the must do section, which is where I write the task or assignment students must do first. The can do section contains options for activities that they are allowed to do when the must do is completed. I like putting up more than one option for students so that they can feel like they have a choice in what they do during this time. The last section is simply the page number of the book or workbook they need to be on. This section can be used at any time, but it's great to have because students might not hear it when I say which page to turn to. Having a place on my board that always contains the page number allows them to glance up and read it for themselves. It has saved so much time avoiding the "teacher, what page are we on?" question. Check out the description box below for a link to my free printouts so that you can make these sections on your whiteboard today.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to check out more tips and tricks for classroom organization, then check out this playlist full of all my favorite things that I use in my classroom as an elementary school teacher.